Hello and welcome to this course. This is the toolkit. My name's Polly and I'm your tutor today. You can read more about me at English Tutor Cambridge and my story. This course is designed for English literature students. You're probably final year high school or last year of A-level kind of age, maybe 18ish, or possibly first year of university. That's the kind of level that this course will be appropriate for. And the course is designed to make sure you have the vocabulary and the key concepts that you need to write descriptively and analytically about the literature you're going to encounter. During this course, I'm going to explain key terms and how they are used. The terms I'll cover are alliteration and assonance, similes and metaphors, personification, different kinds of repetition, different kinds of questions, lists, especially lists of three, juxtaposition, and imagery. There's so much more, but I just wanted to make a start, so this is probably the first video of a few, I would imagine. I want you to think of these terms as tools in your toolkit. A bit like you've got a bag and there's a hammer in it and a screwdriver and a drill. These terms are tools for you to use. They're terms that will help you understand what's going on in a piece of literature and ways in which you're being played by the writer. That's the important thing to hang on to. It's the ways in which you're being manipulated, for better or worse. Sometimes writers use these tools really deliberately for a certain effect, and sometimes I imagine it's kind of more innate and instinctive, their use. In a way, it doesn't really matter. Whatever their intentions, it's really important as intelligent readers that we are aware of those tools at the writer's disposal so that we can spot them, know them, call them out, and admire their deft deployment. But in a wider sense, to know these tools and how they can work on us, how they can attract us or repel us, how they can persuade us to think in one way or another. It's really important if we are going to be active agents in this really noisy world in which we find ourselves, this world full of fake news and alternative facts. Although the existence of different versions of events has been acknowledged for centuries, in other worlds it's called things like propaganda. Or, varying accounts. There are allowed to be two different versions of the truth. In reality, there's probably many. The point is, these tools help us identify powers at play that are trying to get us to think one way or another. And it makes us intelligent readers as a result. The point is, you want to be a savvy reader, and perhaps even a savvy writer as well. And if you know about these tools, the chances of both of those things happening is way more likely. So, welcome to the toolkit.